Okay. So that is a T test, F test. We completed. What happened?
Nothing.
So these are the testing of the hypothesis, nothing but. So whether the samples are correctly justified or not, for this purpose, we have applied various tests like T test and F test, and now is the chi-square test. This is a symbol like this. It is a pronoun CHI, but pronounced as chi. Here T test, what we do here, sample mean and compare with population mean. We applied here in this case T test. Whether the total population and your sample is collected accurately or not, that will be compared with the population mean and sample mean. For this purpose, we applied that is a T test. Come to the F test, whether significantly two samples are correctly or not. For example, I told you BBA section A and BBA section B. You collected samples here, you collected samples here. So what are the variance among these two samples? We forget about the total population, total mean and nothing. Simply we compare with the two variations of the two samples. For this purpose we applied as a F test. Come to the chi-square test, only individual samples. So whether you collected these samples accurately or not, that will be known with the help of the chi-square test. See, first one is the T test, sample with population. Come to the second one, F test. Come to the F test, that is a two samples. Here third one sample. Justification of the samples. This is the three, very important. So under that is a chi-square test is equal to, here also table value is there. Don't confuse. I will give you table value, just your conclusion. Here chi-square is equal to O minus E whole square divided by E. Here where O is equal to observed values, E is equal to expected frequency. So this is also compared with the table value. Of course, I will give you table value and I will give you one example with the conclusion. So chi-square, this is a symbol, is equal to O observed value minus expected value whole square divided by E. Remember sigma O minus E whole square divided by E. This is the formula used for the calculation of the chi-square test. Compare with that is a T test and F test. Chi-square test is a very simple. And this is also one of the important when there is a sample size is less than 30, or maybe sometimes it will be taken as a 25. Sample size is 25. Generally this will be used when the sample size is 25. So this is the application most of the chi-square test used when there is a independent samples and that will be also less than the 25. Okay. This is the used. So take one example.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Chipama.
Sir, please could you repeat this once again? Like the 25 example you gave. My connection was weak.
25. Generally, this will be used when the sample size is less than 25 or maybe 30. Up to 25 to 30, less than 25. Maximum 30. Okay. So then this will be used. And all other samples are the independent. Simple. First sample, that is what is the T? That is the population and samples mean. Second one is the two sample in different groups, and one group sample. Then the sample size is also less than. When you collect, for example, you collect section A, section B. Here the sample size may be less than 25, whatever may be. With the help of the one problem I will tell you. Okay. The number of accidents. Can I type? Word file?
Yes, sir.
It is okay. Now visibility.
Yes, sir.
The number of accidents per month in a certain town, whereas 12, 18, 20, 2, 14, 10, 15, 6, 9, 4. So, are this or this? Are these frequencies in agreement with the belief that accident conditions were the same during the month, during the s- 10 months. Table value is 16 point. No, table value 16.919. This is the one problem. Here, there are 10 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 months. There is a 12 accidents, 18 accidents, 22, 14, 10, 15, 6, 9, 4. So whether the accidents are correctly, accurately or not. Okay. Now, months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it okay? Visibility? Yes. Is it okay?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
okay. So what are the values? First value. Again I have to open. 12, 8, 12, 8, 18 or 8. Next.
So it's 18. Second one is 18.
18. Okay. Next one.
20.
20.
2.
2.
14,
Mm.
10,
Mm.
15,
Mm.
6,
Mm.
9,
Mm.
and 4.
Okay. Now this is the accidents. There, this is the observed values. They observed during the month. That's why it is called as a observed. On the basis of the sample, they observe these are the various accidents during the 10 months. Okay, here what is the sum total? Here the chi-square test is equal to formula chi-square test is equal to sigma O minus E whole square divided by E, where O is equal to observed, E is equal to expected values. So here in this case, expected value is equal to sigma x divided by n. Sigma x or sigma O. You take no issues. Sigma O divided by n. It means sum of the observations. 12, 18, 22, 14, 10, 15, 6, 9, 4. What is the total?
So 110.
110. So can I take 100? Simple to calculation. Just anyway, can I change here 18, 8? Can I take 8? Simple we
Okay,
can
sir.
do. Because 100 now, simple calculation we can do. Just make a here instead of the 18, just you can change as a 8. So therefore, E is equal to, that is 100 divided by how many months? 10. So is equal to 10. Simple. That's why I made 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 observations. Therefore, 10 100 divided by 10. So what is this? This is the expected value is equal to 10. O minus E. I will write here E value direct. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. These are the expected values or expected frequency. Now O minus E. O minus E. 12 minus 10. 2. 8 minus 10. Minus 2. 20 minus 10. 10. 2 minus 10. Minus 8. 14 minus 10. 4. 10 minus 10. 0. 15 minus 10. 5. 6 minus 10. Minus 4. 9 minus 10. Minus 1. 4 minus 10. Minus 6. Observed minus expected. Now O minus E whole square. O minus E whole square. 4, 4, 100, 64, 16, 0, 25, 16, 1, 36. O minus E whole square divided by E. Last one. Otherwise, you can take sum of divided by expected value as you wish. If you do independent also no issues. Otherwise, you take sum of the O minus E whole square divided by E as you wish. If you do like this, make a sum total. Otherwise, just you can count sum of this O minus U whole square divided by expected value as you wish. The answer will be C. So what we do now? Shall we do O minus U whole square? It means 4 by 10. 4 by 10 are expected.
0.4.
0.4. Next. 4 by 10. Again 0.4. 100 divided by 10. 10. 64 divided by 10. 1.4. No, 60. 6.4. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Next, 60 divided by 10. 1.6. 0 by 10. 0 by 10, what is the value? 0 by 10. 0 or 1?
0, sir.
0. Very good. Next, 25 by 10. 2.5. Next, 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1.
1.
Next, 36 divided by 10. No.
3.6.
3.6. Finished? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where is 1 missed?
Sir, after 2.5, it will be 1.6.
Okay.
Then
Here
0.1,
1.6, 0.1 and
3.6.
3.6. So total.
So 26.6.
26.6. See, one more thing. If you make this sum or you apply chi-square is equal to O minus E whole square divided by E also, you get 26.6. If you 36, 1, 16, 25, 16, 64 and 100, 4, 4. If you do this also, you will get same answer. Now, what is the value? It means chi-square test is equal to, we got 26.6. So, which is the 26.6 is the greater than the table value. What is the table value? 16 point. I given, na?
16.919.
So 6.
Okay, 16.91. So it means these observation values are wrongly. It means the observed values are rejected. Simply, don't confuse all these things. Just what are the observed values are rejected. Simply you write. Because the calculated value is the greater than the table value. Therefore, the number of accidents are wrongly, or this is the rejected. Simply, only one count is remember. If the calculated value is the less than the table value, see here, one important. If the calculated value is the less than the table value, that will be test is the, it means the sample collected is the accepted. Otherwise, it is the rejected. If you remember, this is very simple. Last line. So here the value is the greater, the calculated value is the greater than the table value. Therefore, this test will be this observed value is the rejected. It means they have to again observe. Okay. It means what they observe, these actions are wrongly. It is not accurate. There is no any problem. They are simply they observe. These are the various actions during the 10 months. So these observations values are wrongly. It is not accurate. When the calculated, the chi-square calculated value is the greater than the table value. Okay. Finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll give one more example. Then we'll go for the grouped table. I will tell you that is also important. If you finish, I will sit and I will give you one more problem. Completed? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more problem. I will type. This time. Okay. In a set of random numbers, the digits were found following frequencies. So 43, 32, 38, 27, 38, 52, 36, 31, 39, 34. So test whether or significantly different from those expected on the table value is 16.92. In a set of random numbers, the digits were found the following frequencies. So test whether significantly differ from those expected values. Table value is 16.92. One more. 200 is selected random from a set of tables. The frequencies of the digits were 0, 18, 19, 23, 21, 16, 25, 22, 20, 21, 15. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again, table value is 16.9. Okay, two problems are there. Two problems are there. Can I do? Yes. Can you solve? Manasa? Shravya?
Yes, sir.
So, did you write?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Likit Sai.
Yes,
Sai
sir.
Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So same. Don't confuse it. O minus E whole square divided by E. So just expected value. This is nothing but sigma O. Sigma O means observed values divided by number of observations, number of samples. That is a 10, I think. Can I solve? Okay, I will do this problem. Then we'll do one more. Okay. So what are the values? Observed values. 43, 32, 43, 32, 38, 27, 38, 52, 36, 31, 39, 34. Now expected value. So what is the expected value? What is the expected value? Sigma O by N. Chi-square test is equal to sigma O observed minus expected whole square divided by expected value, where that is a E is equal to sigma O or sigma X divided by N. So what is the sum of the observations?
370.
So 370.
370. Okay, good. 370 divided by 10. It is equal to 37. Correct, na? 37, 37, 37, 37, 37, 37, 37, 37, 37, 37. Now O minus E. O minus E. (43 minus 37). 6. Next. 32 minus 37. Minus 5. 38, 37, 1. 27, 37, 10. 38, 27, 1. 52, 37. What is the value? 52 minus 37, 15. 36, 37, minus 1. 31, 37, minus 6. 39, 7, 2. 34, 37, minus 3. Correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the next step? O minus E whole square. (36), 25, 1, 100, 1, 225, 1, 36, 4, 9. O minus E whole square divided by E. So 36 divided by 37. So don't confuse. If you take this sum and divide it by expected value, otherwise you can do individual also as you wish. This time shall we make a total? We see. I will do like this. 36 plus 25 plus 1 plus 100 plus 226 plus 37 plus 13. I think 438. Four 38. 438. 438. If you do like this also, no issues. Okay? My friends. Varun. Okay. 438 is correct answer. Look it. Total.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, if you do also, no issues. Just look it. Better you do like this. O minus E whole square divided by E. Let me see. Answer will be same or not. What is the total? Now, chi-square test. Can I write here? Can I write here? Chi-square test is equal to observed minus expected whole square divided by E. So, 438 divided by expected is 37. It is equal to
11.8.
11.8. Please make this also total must be 11.8. Just check it. 36 divided by 37. 0.97. 25 divided by 37. 0.67. 0.02 or 3. 100 divided by 37. 2.70. 1 by 37. 0.03. 225 divided by 37. 6.08. 1 by 37. 0.03. 36 divided by 37. 36 divided by 37. 0.97. Next, 4 by 37. 0.108. 9 by 37. 0.24. 11 you take. Yes, 11.83. Correct? $11.83. Is it correct? 11.83?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So just yes, Likit, tell me what is the conclusion? This value is the less than table value.
Accepted, sir.
So this will be accepted. Okay. So just if you finish, Now I will give you cascade test from the grouping table. This is a completely individual. Now grouping table. Row into column. Row into column. If you finish, I will sit and I will give you one more example with the grouping table. Finish?
Yes, sir.
Go. Is it okay? Screen share. The following. Please do for third one. I'll now give one more. The following mistakes per page where I will wait. Not this one. I will give directly. Suppose that in a public opinion survey answers to the questions. Answers to the questions. So what are the questions? Number one, do you drink? B, that is, are you in favor of local option on sale of liquor? Can you infer that opinion on local option is dependent on whether or not an individual drinks? Good chance. Yes or no total. Yes, 56 and 31. 87. No, 18, 6 and 24. Table value is 3 point. $3.841. Okay, I will explain you this one. Please note down this problem. There is a public opinion on about the alcohol. So did you 74 total, 37, 87 plus 24. Okay, finish? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
1.
yeah, please note down. I am not going to erase. Just I will erase this one only. Is it okay for you? Okay. Simple, very, very simple. Don't confuse it. Here, observe values. You take 56, 18, 31, and 06. You take sequence. First one is the 56, 18, 31, 6. Here, the expected value is the expected value. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please listen carefully. Here, the expected value row into column divided by total. Row into column divided by total. Okay, here, what is the sum? First one, expected value 74 into 87 divided by total 311. 74 into 87 divided by total. Second one, the second one, 37 into 87 divided by 311. Third one, 74 into 24 divided by 311. Fourth one, 37 into 24 divided by 311. These are the expected value R into row into column divided by 100. (74) into 87. 74 into 87 divided by 111 will get
So 58.
74 into 87 by 111, 58. Next, 37 into 87 divided by 311, 29. 74 into 24 divided by 311, 16. 37 into 24 divided by 311, 8. 58 plus 29 plus 16 plus 8. Yes, correct. This total must be same. Now, O minus E as is. Only expected value calculated when there is a grouped value is there. Nothing but it is on the basis of the sum of the quotient basis. Quotient basis. So 58, 29, 16, 8. These are the expected values. Now O minus E. 56 minus 58 minus 2. 18 minus 29. 11. Or,
Yes, sir.
11 na? Minus 11. 31 minus 16. I think 15. 6 minus 8 minus 2. Correct? Please check it.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay. May I erase this one? Please. This one. May I erase? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Did you write this one? This expected values.
Yes, sir.
Don't confuse. R into C divided by total. Now O minus E whole square. 4, 1 to 1, 225, 4. Now O minus E whole square divided by E value. Otherwise, make a sum divided by each value. Instead of all these things, better you take simple here. O minus E. 4 divided by, what is the E value now? Tell me here. 58.
8.
So 0.068. 121 divided by 29. 121 divided by 29. 4.17. 172. 225 divided by 16. 14.06. 4 divided by 8. 0.5. $18.8. 18.8. If it is given like this, please calculation of chi-square test. So what is the table value? Yes, Chapama? Tell me. Yes.
So table value is 3.841.
So it is a more than the table value. So it will be rejected or accepted?
So rejected.
Rejected. That's all. It means the opinion is wrong. Finish? I'll give one more different problem. If you finish, please tell me. One more problem I will explain, then we'll be finished.
So finished.
What's the good, doctor? Chala headache ఉంది నాకు. Rakesh, finish? Rakesh Sharma, Lokesh. ఉన్నారా వెళ్ళిపోయారా లాగిన్ అయ్యి లోకేష్ Vaishnavi? Okay, one more. In a certain sample of 2000 families, 2000 families, 1400 families are consumers of tea. Out of 1800 Hindu families and 1236 families consume tea. Use chi-square test and state whether there is any significant difference between consumption of tea among Hindu and non-Hindu families. Table value I will see and tell you first. I will repeat. In a certain sample of 2000 families, 1004 families are consume tea. Out of 1800 Hindu families, 1002 families consume tea. Use chi-square test, check whether there is any significant difference between the consumption of the tea, Hindu and non-Hindu families. Hindu and non-Hindu families. Okay. Here it is given as a like tabulated value but there is no any direct values is not given. So we have to first to prepare, that is a table value. May I write this one? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is a very simple, don't confuse. Hindu families, non-Hindu total. Total is given. There are how many families? In a certain sample of 2000 families. 2000 total families. 2000 total families. This is the Hindu and non-Hindu. Hindu and non-Hindu. Families consume tea. Family consume tea. Family non-consume tea. Families consume tea and family not consume tea. In a certain sample of 2000 family, 1400 families are consume of tea. Total consume of tea, how many members? Yes. Likit?
Yes, sir.
Likit?
Yes, sir.
How many members total consume of tea? What is the question? First, in a certain sample of 2000 families, 1400 families are consume of tea. Family consume tea. So that is included Hindu and non-Hindu, but total is 1400. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next line. Out of 1800 Hindu families, total Hindu families, how many members? 1800. See, 1000 out of 1800 Hindu families, 1236 family consume tea. Out of 1800 families, total families, that is a Hindu families. 1000 clearly mentioned. Out of 1800 Hindu families total 1800 are consume tea are 1236. 1036. Then use chi-square test significantly. Now we have to fill this table. Total 1800. Among these total Hindu families is given, total families also given, that is a total family consumed is given. This out of 1230, this is a 1400. Now 1800 into 1, 2, 3, 6, 564. 564. Here total consumed tea 1400. This 1400, 1236 are Hindu families. Then remaining are the non-Hindu families. 1400 minus 1236, 164. 164. Total 2000 families. This 2000 family consume tea 1400. Families are not consume tea 600. Families not consume tea 600. Among this, Hindu are 564. Then 36 are the non-Hindus. So total non-Hindus are, that is I think 200.
200.
Now understand or not? Please tell me. I will explain again.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand? Simple. What are the information given? Total 2000 families are there. First, 1400 families are consume of tea. Family consume tea 1400. The remaining 2000, the remaining is the amount is the, that is sorry, members are 600 are the families non-consume tea. Is it clear? Up to here? Then out of 1800 Hindu families, it means total Hindu families are 1800. 1, 2, 3, 6 are consume tea. 1236 consume tea. So remaining are the non-consume tea Hindu family. Here total Hindu families are 1800. Total 2000. The remaining are the non-Hindus. 1236 families are consume tea and these are the Hindus. Total is 1400. The remaining 164 is the non-Hindus, those consume tea. 600 families are there. Those are the families non-consume tea. Among these 564 Hindus, the remaining are the non-Hindus. అర్థమైందా లేదా చెప్పండి. Yes or no? Please note down this. Is finish. Now calculation of the chi-square test is the same. Now observed, expected. Observe values 1, 2, 3, 6, 564, 164, 36. Now expected values. Can you tell anyone? Expected values. Likit.
Sir, the expected value for the first observation will be 1800
1800.
into 1400 by
1800 into
2000. 1400 by
1800
2000.
into 1400 divided by 2000. The first one 1800 into 1400 divided by 2000. Correct?
So 12,600.
How? Yeah, 1236.
So 1,260. Sorry, sir.
1260. Because the total families are only 2000. How you get 12,000? Okay. Second one.
Sorry, sir.
200 into 1400 divided by 2000. Correct? Next one. 200 into 1400 divided by 2000.
So 140.
140. Next. Third one. That is 1800 into 600 divided by 2000.
So 540.
540. Next. Fourth one. That is 200 into 600 divided by 2000.
So 60.
16. 1 6.
So 60.
60. 60. Now O minus E asterisk. Solve this problem completely. Complete this problem. Similar. O minus E. O minus E whole square. O minus E minus this one. O values, E values, O minus E, observed minus expected whole square, observed minus expected whole square divided by E. So observed 1, 2, 3, 6, 564, 164, 36. Expected 1260, 140, 540, 60. So 1236 minus 1260. What is the value? Chipama, anyone? O minus C, 1236 minus 1260. 24
Minus 24.
minus 24. Next, 564 minus
424.
4.
424.
Okay, good. Next,
Minus 376.
376. Next,
Minus 24.
minus 24. Square, 24 into 24.
So 576.
576 divided by 1260. 576 divided by 1260.
0.457.
0.457. Next. 424 into 424.
So 1,79,776.
Oh my God. Divided by 140. You can take direct.
So 1284.114. 1284.114.
Wow. Next. Okay, solve this one. Okay? You can complete this one. Okay? So this is the chi-square test values like this.
So very much calculation, sir.
Yeah, don't worry about such type of the calculation I will not give.
Thank you, sir.
See, the important is whether you understand the concept or not. Calculation of the chi-square test. This is the very, very important. Two methods I discussed it. When the directly, this is the various observations, values, you have to find out. Now you have any doubts, any clarification, please tell me. I will clarify now. Anyone? Any doubts? Yes, tell me. Likit, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Lokesh. No, Anand. Lokesh, are you there? Oja. Harsh Oja. Are you there? Oja. Unmute. Bharadwaj. 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 Shall we leave? Manasa? Any doubts? Likit. Likit Sai.
Yes, sir.
Shall we leave or shall we discuss some more problems as you wish? Hmm?
Sir, I guess we can leave, sir. I guess we can leave, sir.
No problem. I do one thing. I will upload some problems for your practice today. Okay?
Yeah, sir.
Better
Thank
you
you.
can solve. Then it is a good for you. Swastika, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
So actually, there is a not a doubt, but it's a request that please to set the paper easy, sir.
So that is not in my hand. We have to submit it only question bank. So randomly committee will be selected. Which one will come, I don't know. After your examination only, I will know.
And so one more thing, will you be taking any class further in other semesters?
Yes, yes, I'm going to take. Why you don't
In
want my
second?
class?
No, sir, I want your class. That's why I'm asking you.
Some people may not be like, nah, some people may be like, some people may not be like. So you are in which list? Like or unlike list?
Very much like, sir.
Of course, you say in front of me, in front of my backside.
I didn't know, sir.
Because since last 21 years now I am teaching. I'm going to take financial accounting next semester.
Okay, sir.
Because see, this is actually I'm facing a lot of problem. Really, I'm speaking. Online teaching the statistics is very difficult.
So there are
Because
no news of offline class till now
maybe chances are there. Maybe next semester,
from
most
second
of the chances
semester.
are there you are offline classes.
So how many percentage?
Yes,
What is the
tell me.
probability, sir?
What is the percentage?
So what is the probability of offline classes, sir, till now?
Yeah, you guess. I think 75% of chances are there. Because
Thank you,
today,
sir.
yeah, today government going to discuss. So they are going to finalize today as per the Telangana government decision. Because in the classroom itself only everything is ready. Last week I
Okay,
was
sir.
there only in the campus. So all classrooms are arranged with the COVID precautions, sanitizers, everything. Just only it is depending on the government decision. If the government is allowed, immediately it will be started most probably your second semester. Anyway, I think your second semester starts next month, I think. Is it 15th, I think? Is it? When
Yes,
your
sir.
date?
15th February.
Yeah,
15th.
15th February. So next semester mix with your batch 1 and batch 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now again, maybe if the offline classes, so you are all this is the batch 1 and batch 2 divided into sections. Section A, section B, section C. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you suggest table value, sir, of this last problem?
So what is the value? Answer?
1555.97.
1555.97. This is the table value. Okay, I have to check it. Chi-square test 2. This is the how many 1, 2. It means 1 degree of freedom, 9 percentage. So this will become by just a moment. I will tell you. I have to see tables. ఇవన్నీ మంచిగా మనకు chi-square. We can see all these values in the table I can show. So these are the values. Seven point 378. 7.37.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Lokesh, sir, what is the table value? I call you 2, 3 times, but there is no any response from you. What happened, Lokesh? Okay. Okay. Wish you all the best. If you have any doubts, please you can ask me. Don't hesitate. Anytime you can call me. If I am busy, I may not be response, but I will respond. No issues. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank
that
you,
time
sir.
but don't call me at midnight, 11 o'clock, and after 10 like this. Somebody has called me at 11:30 night.
Sir,
I don't
was it
want to.
Kaushik?
I don't want to disclose his name. But please don't call me after 10 o'clock.
So I guess
And
everybody knows that it may be Kaushik only, sir.
no, it's okay. Because Hari is a tension. That's why, of course, it is a good, but calling around 11 o'clock, 11, that is not good. Because we are teaching means we are tired. So generally, my case, I will sleep like 9 to 10 between only. Okay. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Hopefully. Okay. Okay. Show all the best. Bye. Take care and study well, write well. So just to practice what I given. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Wish you happy.